What else is in my bag, you might ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, Brooklyn's bandana. She kind of ate hers, but you get the idea. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2. I found my friend Boo. What's up, guys? I'm RAVEWITHSHAI. Thanks for checking out this video today. The purpose of today's video is to raise awareness of companies and brands that are making masks. The 10 places that I found, all of the ones that are rave attire, but then also new companies and people that are making masks, and then how to get the materials you'll need to make a mask. Also let you know that Freedom Ravewear will ship you the materials if you'd like to learn how to sew or you are a seamstress. And then also just kind of bring awareness to the fact of where you can get a mask. I know a lot of people don't have them. Meanwhile, I have so many. I have this really awesome chrome attire bag. I don't know if you can see how chromy it is, but I've got all my masks wrapped up in here. This one I just ordered from Freedom Ravewear. Alyssa's making masks now. They're not medical grade, or they might be now. This one is antimicrobial, and so it is better than a typical mask. So we're gonna go through the little, the different types of masks, where you can buy them, which ones I have and like and recommend, and then if I have any codes or if I know of any discounts. I know Raves is doing a 3 for 30 mask, so I just ordered 3 from them. They haven't come in yet. So we'll start with this one. This has adjustable straps. I can't really show it to you, but isn't this choker awesome? I just got this choker, but we're just gonna leave that on for now. So your very typical, easiest thing to do, this is actually my dog's from his groom. You can just get a regular bandana and you can tie that around your face. I'm also gonna link to a video down below that shows you how you can turn a bandana that's clean into a mask with some shoelaces and a bandana. So bandana. Leah and I, this is what we used to wear to raves before all of this happened. So these we ordered in bulk. I think there's 1 or 2 different orders. Oh, do you guys love I've always wanted a flower crown headband, and this is like my hair and feed and braid hair. Oh, I'm just in love. Also, I just got this cool jacket from Freedom Ravewear, and it has a hood on it. And this jacket, check out these chains. How pretty. It is cold. Okay. Take this off. So we just ordered these on, I was originally going to put them on, but I have this choker on and all these other things, but I love these skulls. You've seen me wear these before. It's just cloth material. You scrunch it up and put it over your head, and then you pull the skull over your face. We have this in army colors. This looks kind of like a Dia de los Muertos. We have just regular black with skulls, but then they also come in fun colors if you want to be girly and cute. I was at the liquor store yesterday and this woman didn't have a mask on, and so I gave her my other mask like this. This one I'll show you later lights up in the dark, but I gave her one that matched my sleeves that are black. I think it's called the iridescent or incandescent, or no, flash aura. This one's cute. Kind of girly, but also it could be for anyone. This one's like galaxy. Oh, someone send help. And my bag is stuck on the chair. Then this one's hilarious. It's space kitties. Space kitties. What? It's so funny. We went through bandanas. We went through Freedom Ravewear. These are antimicrobial, adjustable straps. They don't go behind your ears, so it doesn't irritate your ears. Then there are masks that are made out of beads. If you guys remember, Little Candy Kitten made me this one. This does go behind your ears. So this you could wear to a festival. I think it's more of a fashion statement. It might keep it might be backwards. It'll keep some dust out. I can kind of feel through it, but these are fun. They're cute. You can make it yourself, so can't get any more affordable than that. And it's fun to wear to a festival. It kind of keeps the smoke out. I don't know about germs. I wouldn't recommend this for like the pandemic. I have lipstick all over my face probably. I don't know. I'm gonna also link down below where you can buy them. There's 3 for $30. There's 50 to 80% off. Relita Couture has masks. Freedom Ravewear has masks. In fact, Freedom Ravewear, they are looking for seamstresses. You can go to freedomravewear.com and click and fill out a form, and if you, I don't know what the criteria is, I'll pop it up and I'll show you guys, but if you want to make masks, or you have like my neighbor's friend or her mom and their church group have been getting together and making masks. And so Freedom Ravewear, Alyssa and Mike, they will ship you all the materials you need to make a mask, and then you can make them and donate them to whoever you want, people you know, your church or synagogue. You can send them to friends, family, anyone in need. You guys saw this in my unboxing. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. But it's the same adjustable straps. You just put it over your head and put it on like this. And I happen to have the matching top and bottom. My dad calls it a trikini because it's a bikini with a matching mask. Pretty funny, Dad. Pretty funny. This backpack is super dope. It is chrome attire. I'm doing a giveaway. If you like it, or you want a fanny pack like this, or you want a I'd rather be raving, or I'd rather be at a rave t-shirt or tank top, then enter my giveaway. Go to Instagram. This is my handle, and enter the giveaway. I'm going to, I think, pick 3 winners. What else is in this bag? Oh, so from Freedom Ravewear, I got the mask, this choker, this little scrunchie, and you can't really see it, but my bottoms match the scrunchie. And then this is Freedom Ravewear as well, and I have sleeves. I have an entire outfit that matches that. I'll pop up some pictures and videos over here. We have these little cotton ones. We have just regular bandanas. We have the ones from Ravewear brands, from Freedom Ravewear, Relita Couture, the Light Couture, maybe I Heart Raves, maybe Dolls Kill. I don't know. Like I'll put a list over here and I'll link everything down below. If you are a brand ambassador for one of these brands and you have a code, or you know of any sales that I forgot, please put it down below. I only have a code with Freedom Ravewear for 10%, Rave with Shai, and Relita Couture 15%, also Rave with Shai. But you can also order them, like I said, on Amazon. I think nowadays every company that either makes clothing or can make clothing now makes masks. So look down below, I'll let you know, and also I'm going to link to a video of how to turn a bandana and shoelaces into a face mask. It's pretty cool and easy. Got the chrome attire bag, super dope, and Vibration, I know that I've talked about it before, but they sent me this dope Fire AF little, like, I don't know if it's like a crossbody or a fanny pack. I wear it like a fanny pack, but it has, you know, a zipper here to put your credit cards in. It has a case right here to put your phone in, and then you can do whatever you want with the rest of it. But it's adjustable straps and it's little buckle, which, by the way, guys, check out this shirt from Relita Couture. It is a buckle. Like, what? That's so cute. Okay, so editing Shai here, and I forgot one of my masks. So this is another one that goes around your ears like that, and this actually wouldn't be like a coronavirus one either. This is more of a fashion piece, but look how sparkly and pretty it is, and it matches my little Relita Couture skirt. I'm like, it's so cold. I'm like in a hoodie and sweatpants now. What do you feel about Raver sweatpants and Uggs, and like I've still got my tights on? And then here's the cute. How cute is that? Okay, back to the video. I also want to start taking donations. If anyone would like to donate masks, they can either buy them themselves and donate them, or they can send me money, even $1. Like 15 people send me $1, and that's halfway to 3 masks from I Heart Raves. I'm gonna end this segment with my mask on. Boo and I just want to say thank you so much for joining this video, and I hope you have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, please subscribe, like, share, comment, tell your friends. People don't know about me if you don't share it with your friends, so I would really appreciate it. Like, word of mouth is really my biggest tool, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Do you like these masks? Where did you buy your mask? Can you hear me while I'm wearing a mask? I can breathe, but I get out of breath because I talk so fast. But I'm just going to say peace, and I'll see you in my next episode or my next video. And then I'm going to just give you I'm going to show you my new outfit. don't know how far away I can get because I have a microphone, but... Ooh. This is not cute dancing, but, you know, I'd headbang, but I don't have any hair. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Love you. Editing Shai again. I'm eating some chips left over from Cinco de Mayo. My papa, he is 94. Or he'll be 94 this year. They've been in lockdown in Florida for a while. So my papa and his his wife, Lynn, just called me and they want me to send them masks. And I was like, funny you should ask. They were like, we'd like you to send us some colorful masks. And I was like, I'm literally filming a video right now on where to buy masks. I'm collecting money to donate masks. And I was like, I got you, Papa. And so I'm going to send them my favorite brand of masks. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but everyone knows I Freedom Rave wear. And I'm going to send Lynn and Papa 4 different masks. And I'll pop up pictures of them on Instagram and maybe even in my next video. So